Do you ever feel overwhelmed by life? Want to escape and start fresh? You're not alone. Many seek a new beginning. Today, we'll explore how to disappear legally and create a new identity. Disappearing might sound dramatic, but for some, it's a necessary step. It can help rebuild life, escape danger, or start anew after a crisis. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, assess your reasons for disappearing. Identify why you need a fresh start. This clarity will guide your decisions. Next, create a plan. Start by listing what you want to change. List your old life elements to leave behind. This roadmap will help focus your efforts. Then, research legal options available in your country. This is crucial. You need to understand laws about changing identity. This involves name changes, paperwork, and more. Next, prepare necessary documents. This includes your birth certificate, social security card, and any other IDs. Store these securely, as you might need them later. Now consider where you'll go. Choose a destination where you can blend in. Small towns or unfamiliar cities often work well. Research potential neighborhoods and job opportunities. After that, it's time to create a new identity. Decide on your new name and background. Use a name generator online or choose something meaningful. Ensure this name isn't tied to any past records. Next, open a new bank account. Choose a bank that requires minimal identification. This helps keep your finances separate. Consider using a P.O. box for your mail as well. Once you've settled in, build a new support network. Make friends and connections slowly. Engaging with locals can help you feel accepted and reduce isolation. Finally, stay under the radar. Limit social media presence. Avoid sharing details that could link back to your past. To summarize, the key to disappearing legally involves assessing needs, creating a plan, understanding legal options, preparing documents, choosing a new location, adopting a new identity, and establishing a new life. If you seek change, consider these steps seriously. Embrace your fresh start. Begin this journey today for a better tomorrow. Ready to take action? Start by writing down your reasons for disappearing. Then, create your step-by-step plan. Your new life awaits.